probably
3, 4,
after.
5, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, but I think she was still like, she wasn't being worked consistently before this show. She only was being worked for like a couple weeks, so they were kind of like, probably shouldn't bring her, just in case. And then she had like an abscess thing for a while, and then, but it like was like deep in her foot and they couldn't pop it, so they had to give her medicine instead. And then it finally went away, but they weren't working her very much, so they were like, well, we'll probably just bring Misty along still. She's got plenty of room a little far away. Not close.